This video is to explain how to prepare yourself for grading of your assignments. If you look on our main page, our class page, scroll down the left panel and you'll see essay assignments. You'll click that open and it will take you here. You'll see the essay assignment sheet is here, so you read the essay. It gives details about what your finished product is supposed to be, as well as information that you can use to help you generate ideas, organize your paper, revise it, make it nice and clean, and submit it. Below this file is Essay 1 rubric. This is the grading criteria. And you'll notice that for each essay assignment, there will be a grading rubric. In fact, everything in the class has a grading rubric. So you want to be apprised of what it says so that you can put forth your best effort. So when you click Essay 1 rubric, you'll get a file down here in the corner. It says Essay 1 rubric. It's in Excel. And you will click that file open, and this is what you'll see. So we want to make that maybe a little bit bigger. Okay, and you'll see the grading criteria go down the far left column: content, organization, clarity, style. Most of the papers for this class are graded on those three criteria. That's the basis for the score. And they're usually divided, maybe 30-30-30, maybe 50-30-20, something along those lines. But you always get a certain number of points for the quality of the different criteria. So if we read here, what do we want to do to get an A for content? Here's the criteria: strong thesis that the whole essay works to support, strong topic sentences that the paragraphs work to support, effective or vivid details used to support topic sentences, great development and progression of ideas. So if you want to get an A in regards to content, you want to make sure that you have really good development, really good word choices. Everything is very understandable and very well explained. For organization, to have an A in organization, you want logically ordered paragraphs and sentences that lead the reader easily from point to point. Great use of transition words, solid and intelligent relationship between the introduction and conclusion. That is what you must have for an A in organization. Now, as far as clarity and style go, the writing shows a keen awareness of sentence structure and appropriate word choice, preference for concrete and specific word choices, good sentence variety, good vocabulary. So that's what you will be graded against for this particular paper. And the language in here for the B is stated, for the C is stated, for the D is stated. And of course, it's possible to have really great content, but very poor sentence structure. So you might end up with an A over here and a D over here, and those points get added up together for your total score. And so when you're asked to do a peer review, of course, what you're asked to do is study the grading criteria and use the language in the boxes to give an evaluation to your peers. So maybe you read the paper and you think, well, it's delightful to read, but it doesn't have a central idea, it doesn't have a thesis, it doesn't have any kind of unity between the points, it's just a lot of different points. Then that's an F in content. But maybe the writing still shows a keen awareness of sentence structure and appropriate word choice. So this is the points that it gets for style. And of course, the points are added up to come up with the final grade. Thanks for your attention and have a great day.